name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to do a brief overview of the different types of judges that exist. So first off, let's go over the difference between federal judges and state judges. Federal judges are appointed typically by the president, and they serve for life typically, and there are 9 Supreme Court justices, and then dropping down from that, there are federal court judges on a lower level. There are federal appeal judges. There's usually 3 at a time that sit on those levels, and then your basic federal judges under that, and then there are federal magistrates who get appointed cases by the federal judges to hear them because they have so many cases they are hearing. As far as on the state side, there are 5 Tennessee state Supreme Court justices, and they actually have to run for office. Below them are 3 appeals court judges on the criminal side and the civil side. They hear cases that their first level of appeal from a regular judge, and then if they go beyond that, they would go to the Supreme Court justices of Tennessee. Below the appeals court are regular judges. We have circuit court judges, criminal court judges, juvenile court judges, okay? That's a basic term that you know and hear. There are also chancellors in Tennessee courts. They serve the same kind of function as a judge, and they effectively are a judge, but they hear different kinds of cases that I'm not going to get into right now, what the differences are and the kinds of cases they hear. Below the chancellors, there can also be magistrates. For example, in some counties, there are so many cases in juvenile court that they appoint magistrates to hear specific kinds of cases. For example, a juvenile court judge might appoint a magistrate to hear all the child support cases in the county. And that person acts as a judge, but they are called a magistrate. There are other types of roles that serve a judge-type function. There are arbitrators. If you are going to arbitration instead of a trial, an arbitrator is typically an attorney who has developed specialization and gotten training as an arbitrator, and they act as a judge during an arbitration. So those are some of the different judges that you might encounter, just a brief overview on their roles, federal and state, and from the top, the Supreme Court justices, the appeals court justices, down to your basic judges. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can also view my other YouTube videos.